A lot of times I talk with clients and real estate agents, and they stress the importance of wanting to close at the beginning of the month. Because if we close at the beginning of the month, we can typically give you a full 2 months off of your mortgage payment. So, as an example, if we close in the beginning of December, we're not going to have to make a mortgage payment for the month of December or the month of January, and the very first payment starts February 1st. It seems to be a sales tactic I've been seeing with a lot of agents because they want to, get their clients excited about the fact that they can get into the home and have almost 60 days before they have to make their first payment. I get excited about it too. It's a pretty cool incentive. The only downside is that I run into a lot of times where the real estate agent or even the lender is not explaining that if you are closing in the beginning of the month, you're going to have about 30 days worth of what we call per diem interest. There's really only truly 1 month that you get off. That other month is a full 30 days of interest that is added to the cashed closing. So a lot of times when we talk about closing costs, we talk about title costs, we talk about origination costs, taxes, and insurance. But if you're baking in a full 30 days worth of interest on, say, a $500,000 loan, a $500,000 loan, for example, you're talking about over $2,000 in addition to your closing costs. So be mindful of this, real estate agents. 2 months off doesn't necessarily mean that there's 2 months in regards to cost associated with it. Yes, it will push your first payment out 60 days, and depending on whether or not you have a lease, that might be a great incentive. But keep in mind, if you're dealing with a client that is low on cash as far as a down payment, it can be an extra couple $1,000s if you're closing at the beginning of the month versus closing at the end of the month. Granted, they're going to have a payment in 30 days, but they're going to be about $2,000 less in those actual costs the day of closing. Any questions on this? Reach out. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. Matt Kirschling, Gold Star Mortgage.